Python programming language. Inheritance. Explore Python's inheritance, types, method overriding, and superfunction. Inheritance allows a class to use attributes and methods from another class, known as the base class. This enables code reuse and the creation of a hierarchical class structure, where derived classes can extend or modify the behavior of the base class. Different types of inheritance allow for various class relationships. Single inheritance involves one base class, while multiple inheritance allows a class to inherit from several base classes. Multi-level inheritance creates a chain of inheritance across multiple levels. Method overriding allows a derived class to redefine a method from its base class. This is useful for modifying the behavior of inherited methods while maintaining the same method name in the derived class. The superfunction is used to access methods from a parent class within a child class. It allows calling overridden methods and facilitates method chaining, ensuring the correct method execution order. Constructors in inheritance follow specific rules. A derived class can initialize its base class constructor to ensure proper setup. This allows customization of the initialization process in derived classes while maintaining base class integrity. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.